Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, February 7th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got our units retake on Friday. If you're in periods 7 and 8, you're going to take it during Warrior time tomorrow if you're going to altitude. Also, we've got to finish our Module 9 quiz in class. Honors Math, you got practice 10.3. You've got the same ordeal with the units test as well as the same ordeal with the blizzard bags, not only in math, but across the board in all subjects. Blizzard bag number 1 is due next Thursday, Valentine's Day, and number 2 is due the next day, Friday. In science, you got to finish your traveling cell brochure. In social studies, there is no homework. Language arts, today we got through 2 chapters in the Watsons Go to Birmingham. Journal number 5 is homework tonight, while journal number 6 is optional for extra credit. In literature, Friday, chapters 1 through 4 are an assignment 1 in a packet need to be completed. We'll also have a quiz tomorrow over chapters 1 through 4, and this is dealing with the Applewhite's book. Make sure you do not lose the book or lose the packet. That's it for tonight. Have a great day.